Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my new and old subscribers, God bless you. And to all my fams, you're welcome. Thank you so much. So today I want to show you how I make this fluffy agege bread. So if you really want to know how I make this, to get this fluffy bread, just sit down and watch, okay? This bread is sweet oh. So let's settle down. Okay, this is the ingredients I need for this. I will drop all the ingredients at the description box. So I have to tell you, you need ascorbic acid for this, okay? So I started by adding the yeast inside the warm water, a little water, then the salt, little salt, and the sugar. So I want to make the yeast. This is the bars of the bread. So this is the flour I'm using, the bread flour. So I will put some of the flour and leave some, like 100 gram of. Then this is the sugar. Then the ascorbic acid. This ascorbic acid is bread improver. It helps to keep the bread in form, the structure of the bread. So this is the yeast that I set apart. It has given me what I needed. So I have to add it inside the flour where I mix all the dry ingredients. So you start by adding it little by little. Remember, you set some of the water apart. Out of the 600 ml water you are going to use, you took some out to mix the yeast. Then the remaining one, you use it later. So this is the time you add the remaining water. I need to rinse the plate that I use for the yeast to get everything out. So you add it little by little, little by little. Don't add all of them at a time so that it will be easy for you to mix. Just add them little by little. So now I'm still adding the water. Remember, we set some flour outside of it. I'm using 1 kilogram of flour, bread flour. So I set out like 150 gram out. So I mixed very well. Guys, you have to be ready for the mixing and kneading. So this is the remaining flour I set aside. I will add it then now. Then mix well. If you want to get your agege done well, you have to be ready for kneading. Really work. So now this is the time I put it on the working surface. Time to knead. Yeah. Just knead this for almost 10 minutes. Continually. Knead very well. Yes, remember that this is the flour that still remains. You don't have to add flour outside of the one you had, so that your dough will be fine. So keep on kneading. The work in making agege bread is in kneading. Homemade one. You can use your machine, but I prefer using my hand for this. It gives me the result I needed. So, as you can see, this is the first round kneading. So this is the pan I'm going to use to cover it for good 1 hour. So grease the pan with oil, then add your dough. So I'm trying to rub the oil also on the dough so that it will not stick. So cover this for 1 hour in a warm place. So this is after 1 hour. I have to knead again for the second time. Remember, always spread the flour on the surface to avoid sticking. So this is it. Yeah, you can see the consistency. You can see it is taking shape. It's taking shape. Guys, for you to get your agege bread real good, you have to be ready to do this. So that you have that fluffy texture after you make your bread. So keep on kneading it. Yeah, you can see it's taking shape. Wow, I'm showing you how it is. Okay, so now I'll put it again in the pan for the second time. Make sure that the bowl is greased with oil. So I'll cover it for the second time and leave it at least for 30 minutes in a warm place. Cover it. Yeah, I'm rubbing oil so that the dough will not stick to the pan. Okay, guys, you can see the change. It has doubled in size. This is really what I want. Yeah, you can see it is double in size. Yeah, this is what I want. Wow. So for the last one, you have to knead it again for the last time. So the work starts again. Knead again for good 10 minutes. Knead it again. Work on it so well so that you get your best result. Okay, this is the pan I'm going to use. Guys, I've checked for the bread pan that has cover around my side. I didn't see it. Maybe I will check for it online. Okay, because it's good that you use cover, the lid to cover it so that the shape will be square, will be very square. You understand? But anyway, this is not for sale. It's homemade. So I manage this one. So I'm kneading it for the last time. Okay, I knead it for the last time. Then as I'm rolling it, I'm trying to make a shape that can be able to enter the pan. You see what I'm doing? So I have to cut it because I have to do it in 2 pans, but I'm going to show you just one. I'm working on one, then the other one I will do it off camera. So this is it. Yeah. So after greasing your pan, you now put the bread dough inside the pan and cover it again. Then at this point, you on your oven at 180 degrees. Then allow it to heat for at least 15 minutes before you add the bread. So this is it. After I covered it and I left it for 20 minutes, look at the result. By this time my oven is hot, so I will put it in the oven now to bake for 30 minutes. So see the result after the 30 minutes. Guys, do you see what I'm saying? So as I was saying, if you have the lid, you cover it. That is why my own puff up. You see the shape, it doesn't give me the square shape. But guys, the most important thing is that the bread is good. It's for my family, I'm not selling it. So see it. Wow. You see how fluffy this bread looks like? Oh, somebody will give me akara. Oh, mamma mia. Remember I didn't add butter? Yeah, you can do it with butter. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, okay? Still, I see you next time. Ciao.